G'day and welcome to Drupa Day 4. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21. I'm here with Christophe Dujardin from Kurz. G'day Christophe.
Nice to see you.
Or I should say ça va, I guess.
Something like that, yes.
We're on the Kurz stand, Christophe. You're responsible within Kurz, one of your main responsibilities is for sustainability.
Exactly.
And what's Kurz doing about this at this show?
Well, sustainability is very important, just like at every supplier at the moment. So we build up our sustainability plan on the 4R principle.
Okay.
4R stands for reduce, reuse, recycle and recover.
Yeah.
And we all know that if you talk about sustainability action, the reduction is the most important way to start your journey in the sustainability topic. So what we do, and you probably know what we transfer to the end product is very, very thin. We talk about 0.3 microns. So those are very, very thin lacquers, including a metallized layer. But what we can reduce is the carrier material that we use to transport those very thin lacquers. Okay. So for 5 decades, that carrier material was 12 microns, which is very thin. But we are able now to reduce that carrier material, as you can see here on the back side, on the boot, for hot stamping foil from 12 to 10 micron. Okay. The reason is very simple. You still have that physical attack of a dye to the PET material. Yeah. So that's why we reduce it only from 12 to 10. Yeah. But for cold foil application, you don't have that physical attack. Okay. So there we are able to reduce it from 12 to 6 micron. Yeah. So this is a reduction of 50%, which is huge. So this is a very first and important step in that direction.
And not the only thing that Kurz is doing with sustainability, is it? You have other steps that you're taking.
Exactly. So we launched 5 years ago here in Europe, and mainly in Germany as a starting point, as we are a German company, to take back some of our waste material back to our production site. So we installed our own recycling facility to recycle some of our PET material back into a new plastic material. Okay. And since 1 year, we are even able, with that same recycling facility, to recycle it back in the same level of quality. So we recycle a PET into an R PET. So we stay, it's not a downcycling anymore. We can use it in the same way, and we even tested that RPET to see if we can produce new film with that, so carrier material with that, and also that is looking very promising.
Okay, well that's great to see. Yeah. And then also on the Kurz stand, what are you kind of launching here in terms of new products? You've got a lot going on, haven't you?
So we really have a lot going on. The booth is, it's hard to tell on the screen here, but our booth is 600 square meter big. So of course we have still the hot foil, the dyes, the designer area, but the big focus is of course digital. We have been talking about digital embellishments since many years. I think we first had our first introduction of digital embellishment in 2016. This is going way further. I think we have here 6 live machines related to digital embellishment machines that we produce ourselves. So we really provide a turnkey solution for machine, glue, and also the transfer product.
And what kind of embellishment goes on the machines?
So we have mainly 3 types of digital embellishments. The first one is toner based. Then the second one is inkjet. Those are the main digital. And the inkjet comes in 2D and in 3D. Okay. So 2D, you still have the possibility to overprint it in any color, just like you do with cold foil. You have cold foil, you apply silver, you overprint it, and you get every single shade you want. Plus, we also have the 3D. It's like a kind of embossing. If you do hot stamping, you can emboss it. This is what we can also do with the digital. And that technology is, of course, not.
Fantastic. Well, Christophe, you've got a lot going on here at Kurz. Of course, you're the
Exactly.
world's biggest foiling company, so we would expect that. So thanks so much for sharing a bit of time with us on Print 21 magazine.
You're more than welcome, and I would say, I know Australia is far away from here, but jump in the plane, come and visit us. We are here still another 8 days.
Yeah. Well, and of course, Kurz, we know well in Australia, and
Exactly.
we can come and visit you anytime, of course, near Munich.
Of course, I'm looking forward to get an invitation, as I said before.
Yeah, okay. Well, thanks very much. This is Wayne Robinson with Christophe Dujardin of the Garden.
Exactly.
Signing off from Print 21 from the Kurz stand at Drupa 2024. Thanks, Christophe.
You're welcome. Thank you.